see, I'm back with another video. Don't mind the hair, bro. Took a little twist off and whatnot, but y'all see I got on my mechanic shirt, you feel me? I'm trying not to move too much because I seen how shaky my last video was, so I'm gonna try to keep this as stable as possible. So on today's video, we're gonna be working on this one. Yes sir. Now what we doing, this, I'm tired. Then like it be raining, it don't be closed, you feel me? So when I be driving in the rain, now it closed all the way, y'all, but since this messed up, it brought the window down, so it leaving this. So yeah, it be leaking rain. Okay, I don't know if this gonna be a how-to video. I'm gonna just do it. More so I'm gonna just do it, y'all follow along, and I'm gonna walk y'all through it. That's my door. So no further ado, let's just jump right into the video. I'm gonna have to have something to hold this open because I don't got the spring, and it does that. Tell me. Alright, took that off. Oh, if you know about these, you should know about these, you feel me? But my plan, the method of attacking this door to save the most work. Now, for a fact, I know I'm gonna have to, y'all see I already did my rivet thing, you know, did the rivets and took off the old, what you call that? The motor, man. Took off the old motor, so I'm gonna have to do the same thing I did to this on that door. I see the best way to get this door off without me having to go through too much, I'm gonna actually unbolt it from here first. There we go. So I got two right here and two right here. I think they both 15. So I'm gonna unbolt it from this, then take this off because this one actually got the spring on it. See, that spring is what keeps the door open. Now everybody want to know, well, I still got 10 on this, but now everybody want to know probably what I'm gonna do about the harness. So this already ran through the whole door, but it's cut. So actually I need to start taking the harness out of this and pull it from right here. Pull it from right here so I don't got to worry about nothing. So let me get started on that. Alright, so I done got the screws out, 15mm. Now what's so far that I didn't know was this is a plate, and the plate goes in the door and it come out as some studs with them bolts on it right here. Same for right here. I already got this off, you feel me? And this is the plate, you feel me? So I'm gonna do, I'm gonna pull that out, lift the door up, and we're gonna take it off. This was super easy. Now this is a 99. I don't know what, let's see, I don't know what year this is, but I brought up the year. I mean, of course all of this is still the same, you feel me? Y'all can see they identical. So only thing I'm gonna do is just take the wires off of this and of course put those through here. Now I brought up the year because the way I just took out that door, as y'all see, it's 3 right here, but it's still the same 2 at the bottom. So actually I can take this off. No, Oh, they bucking. So I'm gonna put this on the car. Matter of fact, I might just gonna put both of them on the car. Feel me? Because the top, as y'all see, this is 2. The other one got 3. So this gotta come off. And of course, this don't got no spring. And this squeaked a lot, y'all. Like, this squeaked a lot. You can see it. But yeah, I gotta take this off. That's 2. That's 2. Let's get to it. Okay, now the ones, these right here, that was on the other door, these actually was a 15 millimeter. Hence, on the car, it was a 13. I think it was a 13. I made sure I lined them up real good with already, I can't even explain it right. But y'all gonna see where the old ones left the mark on the frame along with these. Like, see, like it got the little circle where the bolts was. So I try to line that up real good so the door don't be sagging. Then I ain't even know this was messed up. Here, see that? And my door did move. So this do that, but this don't move at all. So let's go. What's going on, man? Y'all see I'm back with another video. So really, this is the first day I started. Okay, boom. This the 3rd day because it started raining yesterday. Bruh, I caught hell trying to fix this man look, bruh. So I had to put this door on temporarily. I ain't even gonna tell y'all how I moved the car. Alright. Alright, got the door brought out. Now I had to take all of this side just so I could put the motor in. Good now though. Okay, so that's done. Oh, I had to put my original lock mechanism on there. If you don't know how to do that, then it's real easy. Let's see if it's gonna pick it up. Light ain't really. Y'all see that? It got that little clip on it. All you do is just pry that up and it'll come right out. Everything else history. Now, the only thing I want off this door, my OCD just won't let me put this door on without this, is this. It's hella black, is good. Now if you look at this one, it's hella gray. That's only held up with this. And I have some screws to replace that, so I'm finna go on and do that. Alright, y'all. The one I just took off. The other door, my old one. Oh, new one. I mean, this one's still on there. Know if y'all can see, yeah, y'all can see the difference. Y'all see that bit ashy. This one hella black, so I'm finna use this one. And this is the one came off my old door. You feel me? Now, no further ado, let's put the door back on. Alright, y'all, so it's done. It's complete. Okay. Yeah, the lighting is so bad, y'all. So before I actually tuck the wires and stuff through this, I just started these bolts so it could tilt back some, cause the wires would be too bunched up and it won't go in if you just bolt up both ends. So yeah, I did that. Right now, I really just gotta align the door. But other than that, she on. Let's go. Let's go. The red looks real good. Now I'm just fixing up that. But man, I haven't had a full seal window in I don't know how long. I got to take all of this. Oh, the door closed so good. Now I'm having to take all this RTV and stuff off. Ooh, man. As y'all see, I think This will have to, I don't know yet, because these are lined up, but as y'all see it's bent, so I'm gonna have to see what's up with this so I can get it matching the other side. Y'all just knew how long it be. But yeah, man. Damn, the thud is sound deeper than this one. Yeah, that bit hella loud. I don't even know why, and I don't even got nothing on. Listen, that bit sound hella deep. Boom. All right, man. So, man, that's just a success. Going crazy. You feel me, man? If y'all like the video, please like it. If you like the video, like the video. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man. Till next time, y'all tune in. I'm gonna have more updates with both cars, actually. Get the thumbnail. Okay. All right, man. Till next time, I'm out.